Good morning, everyone. And today we're going to be doing top to bottom analysis on Wonder Electrical Ltd, starting from the 1 week time frame. And as usual, we'll start by identifying our zones, which are essentially higher level support and resistance. Simply more collectively call them zones because, this is our all-time high. This is the highest point that price has gotten to. So all-time can also draw a trend line. Can also draw a trend line across this point like this. This is a weekly trend line. We also have another zone here. Okay, so now let's go down to the daily time frame and do the same thing. We'll identify our zones and any potential trend line, and then we'll also identify our trend origin. So clearly there's a daily zone around here. It's another daily zone here. As for trend lines, you can draw a daily trend line here across these 2 points. So this will be our trend origin. Let's make it red. The reason why we choose this point is because of this. This is also a trend origin, and we have impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, followed by an impulsive move here. This is obviously a break of structure. This is now a very clear break of structure. So we identify this point as our, and then we have impulsive, correctional, and then price is in a new impulsive phase. So let's reset the chart view. Let's delete this guy, and then let's going down to the 4-hour time frame. What we are waiting for in order to be able to sell this pair, we're waiting for a break of this level, then a retest, then price will go down. So we're planning to go short on this pair, but then there's still this weekly zone. So whether price will actually continue to go down remains to be said. Actually, I just realized that I made a mistake just now. price broke like this. So it's an impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, then a break of structure. So since there's been a break of structure, we're actually expecting price. Okay, yeah. Since there's been a break of structure, we should actually be expecting price to go bullish. Do you get? Because when price switches from an uptrend, because if an uptrend ends, price will continue to be in an uptrend so far price keeps breaking highs and not lows. Price will continue to be in a downtrend so far price keeps breaking lows and not highs. At this point, price has broken a high instead of a low, meaning that it's switching from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we should be waiting for maybe something like a W pattern to appear here. So the best thing to do right now is actually to stay away from, is actually to stay out of the market for this pair, because the specific direction price is going to is at this moment not clear. So we have to wait for additional information to be able to draw a conclusion.